Hello friends. Hello friends. So in this JavaScript part 2 session where I will give you some task and some question answer based on our previous video of variables. Okay, so let's just go through with this task and just carefully understand this task, and I will explain you what what is the question answer of this task. Okay, and if you get any question answer, then you can comment or in this video. Okay, and you just let me know, so this way you can come to know your JavaScript related knowledge. Okay, this is the simple question answer, but if you think the logically, this will enhance your logical thinking. Okay, nothing else. So first task is declare three variable using var, let and const, assign number to each and print. Okay, so you just go to your JavaScript notepad and just assign these three variable and just print into your browser. Okay, that's all. It's very simple. You just need to type, that's all. First of all is second one is a resign test. If you get this question answer, just comment in this video as a task 2 and give your question answer, or just whatever you. Okay, now here the task is that reassignment. Now we have assigned we have declared three variable, right, where 1 to a b c d. Now just check again, rechange this variable value and see what exactly output would be. Okay, and just comment me in this video what would be the c value, c variable value. Okay, and what would be the b variable value, whether you are able to change this c variable value, yes or no. Just comment me in this video. Okay, okay, so just your purpose would be, so just check this b and c variable whether you are able to resign or not. Okay, and if not, then why you are not able to resign this b a b c d values. Okay, just try to understand those things. Now third will be the block related or scope dimension related thing. Okay, so now in this block, okay, we have assigned this three variable, and outside this block we are trying to print these variables, right? So just let me know this what exactly value would be this three variable whatever we have assigned under this block. And fourth would be hosting check. Okay, this is just new, this is the concept we will discuss in our future videos, but now currently I am just giving you the brief context. Okay, print variable, okay, above your coding window. Okay, and declare the variable below the print variable. Okay, like this way. Okay, print variable, first of all print variable first in your coding window, after that declare the variable, and let's see whether you are able to get these three variable or not. And not, then why. Just comment me in this video as well as and whenever you just comment, just put your task 1 values and yes or no, if you are not able to get, and why you are not able to print. Just give me in brief context. Okay, and 6 would be the immutable object. Okay, this is related to the const variable. So now in const we have declared one object here. Okay, and this object or if you see, we just assign the value again in this format and try to print and tell me what would be the value print, 30 or 31. Okay, in person name and age, again do the same thing and tell me now what would be the value, Doy or John. Okay, and fourth would be the temporal dead zone. Okay, just create one function, okay, like this way, and just call this function and just tell me what would be the x value. Okay, will give you 5 or not. Okay, just tell me what would be the 5 value, but that 5 value. Okay, but remember one thing. Okay, you will have to first print using this console log, and after that just declare your variable. This is something similar like this function we have done here. Let me show you. Okay, this one, it's once you resolve this one, you will automatically come to know of this logic. Okay, so thanks for watching this video, and please comment me your answer, okay, in this very videos. Okay, and just reply in your answer as the task 1 answer, like this way. Task 2 answer would be this one. Okay, like this way. Thanks for watching this video, and we will just get this answer in our next session. Okay, thanks for watching here.